I really love this brush, guys. I think it's one of the greatest detangling brush I have seen yet. It's a very thin brush, as you can see. This part right here is also very thin. The bristles are also very thin and long, which is gonna help with the detangling your hair. I really like that this brush is also small. It's not super small, but it's not super big, and it's not super thick, so you can literally carry it everywhere. Now, this brush is so good to detangle your hair, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I actually have my wet hair right now because I just showered. My hair is very curly and thick. I have Latina hair, so it's very thick, coarse, and it's super long. But look at how good this brush works. So right now I have wet hair and it's very long. We're just gonna go ahead and brush it. It goes and slides through your hair very easily, as you can see. And then what I really like about this brush is that you don't even have to start from the bottom, because usually I untangle my hair from the bottom. You can start from the top because the bristles are very long and they're very thin, so they glide through your hair super easily. And as you can see, this part right here is already detangled, and then this part right here is tangled. But let me go ahead and brush this part so you can see. And even if you start from the top, guys, and you get like little knots right there, it glides through them as well. So don't worry about that, because this brush is going to detangle all of your hair and all of the knots. So the back part is usually the part where I struggle the most with other brushes, but with this brush, it is very easy to brush and detangle. And as you can see, there's literally almost no hair stuck to the brush. I think there's probably like one hair stuck to the brush. So I really like that it doesn't pull off the hair, because I know with my other brushes, sometimes when I create those knots, I would just tug and pull and I would take out some hairs. Also, another great thing about this brush, guys, is that if you do gather some hair on the brush, all you have to do is place it like this, pour some water on top, and then all of the hair just drains out of the brush. So it is a very good, simple brush that's going to detangle your hair. I really love it, guys, and I would definitely recommend it.